Hello! Hi,
Hello!
Kai!
Hello, guys.
Yeah. Hello, guys.
Hello po. Ano?
Anong masasabi mo sa ano? Anong masasabi mo sa title ng space natin?
Alamat ng luha ni Kai. Ayos ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. So sorry, guys. So sorry. Pero, tatawa ako. Maybe that's the reason why naiiyak ako, no? Kasi, tawang-tawa ako. Anyway. Ayan.
Kamusta, Kai?
Ano lang.
Ka?
How about you guys? How are you guys? Kamusta kayo?
Kai mates, kamusta daw kayo, Kai mates? Napagod
Kamusta
din
kayo,
sila,
guys?
Kai.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Nakipagpuksaan
May
sila.
Halak ka!
Nako na.
Pagalitan mo nga, Kai. Pagalitan
Nako.
mo nga yung
Wag, guys. Wag. You know when you see a comment or anything that triggers you, just say ew and then move on. Ganon kasi yun, guys. Ganon
Oh,
lang.
narinig niyo yun.
You read something, sabihin mo, oh my gosh, ew, tas move on. Wag ka nang don't dwell on it, you know, di ba?
True.
Shocks. Anong ginagawa niyo, guys? Ba't andito kayo?
Miss ka na nila, Kai, kasi matagal-tagal na din na hindi ka naka-live tsaka space.
True. Actually, I wanna go live. Pero, kapag gusto ko naman mag-live, ano
May
naman?
PE ka.
Oo, guys, I'm doing my, may ginagawa pa kasi ako. Whenever I'm not doing anything, I have to do something. Kaya hindi ako nakakapag-live. Pero, I will go live naman. I'll announce it if I go live. Nag-live na ako sa Abra. So, you know, okay lang. Diba?
Kai, may nag-ask. Kamusta daw yung meet up nyo ni Catriona?
Ah, sino nag-ask?
How's your reaction? Si attorney.
Sorry. Sketchy on a Gray. When I first met her, it was in kasi when we arrived in the venue, we're supposed to be waiting in the dressing room. Thus, the dressing room, bro, is supposed to be just us, like, ako, Sketchy on a Gray, Miss Maricel Soriano, happy birthday, by the way. Thus, yung ibang guest, sila Ate Moira, ganon. Thus, I was like, well, obviously, my name is there, kaya I went inside the room, and I'm like, what the heck? Kasi, imagine, I only used to watch, them, Catriona Gray, especially Catriona Gray. Kasi my mom is a big fan of Catriona Gray. So imagine, I'm sitting next to her, and I'm talking to her. So like, ang crazy ng ganapables inside the dressing room. Kasi we were just kwentuhin. Tapos, parang, what am I doing here? What am I doing here? Pero, kinilig ako because after the event, Miss Catriona Gray followed me on Instagram, which is crazy kasi I used to follow her before. Dugay na. Ay, matagal na. Tapos, ngayon niya ako na-follow back. And, I've never felt so kilig.
Si Miss Catriona lang ata nagpapakilig sa'yo.
Siguro.
Siguro.
Siguro nga.
Kaya ba't hindi ka na-inform na white naman palang susuotin?
Kuya,
Iba yung kulay ng damit niya.
what am I wearing? Pero, okay lang daw kasi, may nakita kong comment, ako daw yung gums kasi sila ang teeth. Ayos yung comment na yun. Funny kaya yun. Yun lang. Ano na?
Ang daming tao. Nahihiya sa'yo si Lily Kai.
How many people are here?
It's almost 800, I think. Ay, 800 talaga.
800. Wait, I'm reading the comments. Yung pinagsasabi niyo, guys. Diba? Huh? Ito, nasa jeep pa ako. Ate! Ba't ka nasa jeep pa? 7:31 na eh. Keisha, how are you? Okay lang po. Thank you for asking. Ano pa?
Kaya di ba you did
Iba?
GDM tour? How was your experience?
Sa GDM? Oh my gosh. Sometimes, di ko alam if I'm like lagging or hindi. Kasi, sometimes naghahang yung GDM. It's actually fun. I wanna do it again kasi, mga randoms lang. So, tapos they were saying na, shout out daw. Some GDMs, puro shout out. Some GDMs naman, puro kabaliwan. Some GDMs, puro, may mga half. So, natuwa ako. Natuwa ako kasi, ba't ang daming hybrid, ang daming iba't ibang klaseng Kai-mates. So, ayun. Which is the strongest GDM ba? Hello? May kausap pa ba ako dito? Hello? May
Ay.
tao pa ba?
Akala ko ikaw yung host.
Ako ba yung host? Ay, hello, what's up sa pa-games natin? Hello. Ayan. So, ano to, like, game show?
So, ano ba itatanong namin sa'yo?
Hindi, gusto ko lang kasi ditong tumawa hanggang sa maiyak tayo.
Hindi ko din alam eh. Hindi ko din mabasa yung ibang comments.
Ay, kaya
Hindi
may
kasi siya live.
nag-ask.
What?
Ano na feel mo about dun sa Pillars Award na isa siya sa napalanga?
Nako! Di din masabi yung word.
Kay, Bisaya ulit ako eh. So,
ka. Nako
Uy.
na. Nako. Ano, ginabay. Sige, kaya mo yan, bro. Kaya mo yan.
Naparangalan.
Take two.
Take two.
Ano na feel ni Kai about dun sa Pillars Award na isa siya sa naparangalan?
Ayan,
Good
yun
job,
lang pala
good
eh.
job. Yan. So, about that, obviously, of course, it's such an honor kasi it's not, well, I can't really take full credit on that naman. Maging thankful din tayo kila Derek Lauren, my Star Magic family. Kasi sila talaga eh. If wala sila, obviously, di nyo din ako makikilala. And obviously sa PBB family din. And you know what? It's so crazy kasi imagine it from my perspective. I was inside the house. Tapos, iniisip pa namin sa loob ng bahay na walang nanonood because we feel like we're boring or like we feel like we're not doing what the people want us to do, but surprisingly it's malakas pala sa labas, and I just feel so lucky to be a part of this season. And dahil this season talaga ang daming naniniwala sa kakayahan ng everybody, including me, my fellow ex-housemates, ganon, di ba? So many people are looking forward to our Ganapables. Kaya, sa award na yun, parang na-feel ko din na I feel validated in some way. Kasi not only in PBB or not only in other things was I awarded something, but also awarded to be someone who is inspiring. So, di ba? Nakaka-inspire kaya masabihan na inspiring ka. Yun lang, and I thank you. Ay, wow! Nakita mo din yung soundboard. Yan.
Pang Miss Universe yung pang Miss Universe yung sagutan mo.
Kaya may tanong sila, nagba-blockbust ka daw ba habang nagsasalita?
Ay, rinig nyo ba?
Mm-mm.
Oh my God! Yeah. I mean, wala naman kayong problema doon, right? Ano lang.
Wala. Okay lang.
Wala ka nang choice eh.
Lol. Well, yeah. Ano kaya? Therapeutic kaya yung, when you just play Block Blast while being on a call. Diba? Try nyo rin, guys. Mapapahaba yung talk nyo. Ayan, next question. If meron man.
How do you juggle daw, Kai, yung studies mo in your showbiz career?
Interesting question kasi sometimes di ko nga iniisip eh. Kasi parang when I go home, I just think, oh, I should do this. Kasi if I don't, I'm no longer gonna have time to do this again. So when I go home, make sure may magawa ko kahit isa man lang. Tapos the next day, gawin ko na naman kahit isa man lang until I finish the goal. Yun lang. Simple lang. It takes one change to make a big difference. Amen. Nasaan na yung soundboard? Ako na guys, ako na yung gagawa. Ha? Ako na yung gagawa. Kasi, where are my kausap here?
Naghahanap pa ng music.
Where are my kausap? Wala ako kausap.
Ang lakas-lakas mag-aya ng space, tapos hindi ka pala kakausapin.
Kaya nga.
Si attorney, baka may gustong sabihin sa'yo, Kai.
Hi, Kai!
Hello po.
Kai, question. Kumusta
Sige.
yung experience mo sa Saving Grace? Di ba since yun yung first mo na
Oh my
parang
gosh.
acting? Or parang paglabas mo, di ba agad yun? Nung ginawa
Yeah.
niya Saving Grace?
Well, ano kasi yun eh, like, apaka bilis ng pangyayari. Kasi we were doing metro shoot for that day. Tapos, segue ako. After my shoot, I go to the set sa Saving Grace. Tas, that day lang din ako binigyan ni Kuya Eric ng script ko. Tas, sabi niya, cameo lang naman. Cameo lang daw. So, sabi ko, cameo lang. So, it's just a short appearance. Baka hindi siya masyadong important na role. Eh, pagbasa ko sa script while going to the set, nako na! Ako pala yung magpa-play ng older Grace. So I was like, shucks. I searched the show kasi the show was apparently starting na. It already started. Tas nasa loob pa ako ng bahay. So I searched it, yung Saving Grace, and I got the idea of the plot, just the synopsis of the whole story. Tas, thank God, andun yung girl sa set. She helped me with the context of anong gagawin ko at ano dapat gawin ko if ako na yung sasalang sa scene. So basically, she just told me what to do, ganyan, sasabihin mo lang, mama, pero kahit maikli pa ang sasabihin ko, I have to, act it out as if mama ko talaga siya. Because that's the story ba, yeah? So, I'm like, oh, bro, like, Eric naman. Kala ko ba, I'm just gonna like, ano lang here. Maiyakan pa lang nagaganap. Pero, okay lang because, in a way, I could also relate to the story naman. So, it wasn't so hard to emotionally prep kasi andun na din ako sa feels kakalabas ko lang na bahay ni Kuya. So, parang, I feel like I relate to Grace. So, oh my god. Julia Montes smells so good. She's crying her heart out in front of me. Tas she hugged me, no, and we were both crying. Pero all I was thinking there was, Mama, Mama, but she smells really good. Like, she's so fresh. She's so fresh. Sa scene is kakalabas niya lang sa prisuhan. Ano ba yun sa Tagalog?
Tama,
Pris-
tama ka.
Prisuhan? Tagalog?
Prisuhan.
Prisuhan. So, she's fresh coming out of the prisuhan. And then we were hugging. Tas umiyak siya. And I was just like, Mama, pero ang bango niya, guys. So, it wasn't that hard to perform the scene. And tapos, it just happened after one take. Tapos, sabi nila, okay, another take, but the circle, yung, what do you call this, 360. So, ginawa namin yung 360, tapos na. Done na. Umuwi na ako, and I went to good night's sleep. So, crazy talaga. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Pero I was happy I got to do that experience. Kasi nagulat din ako na pinalabas nila at like 1 a.m. I don't remember, pero nagulat din ako. Sabi niyo na nagugulat ako. Nagulat din ako sa sarili ko kasi di ko alam pinalabas nila that day. Kaya, ayun. Slay!
Pero were you aware na nag-trending siya?
Yung Saving Grace ko?
Yung mama. yung mama.
Yung
Binilita
cameo.
pa yun kayo eh.
Yeah. I saw that kasi sinend sa akin. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, anong oras na, ba't kayo nagpapatrend at this hour? Pero, you know what, thank you guys. Kasi somehow, even the news, it was in the news, diba? So, somehow, in a way, napunta siya na recognize ako yeah, in that way. Yun lang. Happy. Happy.
Speaking of news, Kai, parang favorite ka ng ano no, ng TV Patrol. Pansin mo ba, palagi kang lumalabas?
3 times na kay.
San?
Sa TV
Saan?
Patrol.
Anong ginawa ko sa TV Patrol?
Palaging nalalabas yung mga interviews mo.
What? I mean, I
Ano
only
ka alam?
remember
Hindi
the
ka
one.
aware?
Hindi kasi ako nanonood ng ano eh, balita.
Pero usually
Sometimes lang.
sinasend namin sa GC Kai, kapag binabalita ka, binabalita din namin sa'yo kasi alam namin na nagugulat ka din. Kasi nagulat kami.
Ah, wait. For what ba yun? Yung ano?
Iba't ibang balita na yung lumalabas.
I'm aware of some of them, but not all of them. Pero that's, di ko alam. Kasi yung ano kasi din, yung nag-interview sa akin, si Miss Anna. She's very friendly din. She's very nice to talk to. Siguro na-enjoy na rin makipag-chikahan. Ayun. Slay. Diba?
Pero ikaw, pag ikaw ang ano, magiging, let's say, host, ready ka din ba sa mga ganyan? Or gusto mo din ba siya ma-experience?
Hosting?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, wala pa akong hosting experience, but I am quite talkative. If meron mong chance na papahost ako, obviously, of course, I would never back down or turn down an opportunity like that, especially if alam ko naman sa sarili ko na kaya ko. So, yeah, sure.
Diyan kami na-amaze sa'yo, Kai, eh. Parang you are good at everything. Or baka ano lang
Ay,
ako,
nako.
bias lang ako.
You know what? Okay, here's a tip, guys. Only you guys will know this. Kasi kayo ay nakikinig sa live, ano ba to? Sa space. So, I'm not good at everything, but there is certainly a, what do you call this? Parang, to some extent, I am doing things na parang, it seems like I'm good at it. Kasi, you know what? The secret to that kasi is confidence. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa interview, like mga interview na sa tinatanong nila ako, anong sikreto sa sa manifestation, what can you say to people that want to do this pero are losing hope? Guys, when you put your mind to it, Lady Gaga said this. You know, when you put your mind to it, when you think you can do it, and that you believe in yourself, edi kaya mo. And if you do it, tas hindi siya naging successful, then think of it as a redirection. If it didn't work for you the first time, try it for the second time or maybe for the third time. It's up to you if you want to keep doing it, basta masaya ka pa rin sa ginagawa mo. And if it doesn't do you any good anymore, no one is stopping you from stopping. Kasi talaga, all you need to do, believe talaga in yourself. Kasi ako, makapal kasi mukha ko, guys. So, whenever someone makes me do this, kahit alam ko, hindi pa ako masyadong good in this activity, well, let's say drawing. Let's say, hindi ako marunong mag-draw. Pero dahil I have this confidence, I have a vision in myself that I can, magagawa ko siya. Kasi I tried. I tried to do it and I did my best. And kung hindi siya na-work, accept that. Hindi naman porket di tayo good sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. We're any less of a person. So, embrace the mistakes and learn to believe in yourself more. Yun lang. Diba?
Ang ganda ng sinabi mo,
Okay,
Kai.
grabe naman si Kai. One thing I love about her, yung wisdom niya, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng mga sinasabi niya sa mga interview.
Ay, nakor.
Parang hindi
Ano lang yan?
18 no?
Hindi, pero I don't want naman for people to think that I'm a saint or like, kaya, di ba, meron ng, like, thing out there that, what do you call this? Ano ba yun? Mama Mary and all that stuff. Oo, gets ko that it's a joke. But also, I don't want you guys to forget that I am just a person lang din as much as you guys are. Kasi sometimes people forget that I too am just 18 years old, that I too make mistakes. And maybe it's a curse and it's a blessing to be so self-aware. Kasi yun lang talaga need mo to be a better character in terms of personality o kaya beliefs mo, yung mindset mo. Dapat ka lang maging self-aware. Kasi kapag wala yan, di mo maiintindihan yung sarili mo ng mas maayos. Kaya, yeah guys. Yeah.
I agree. Parang ikaw lang din talaga ang makaka-assess ng sarili mo, di ba, at the end of the day.
Pero alam mo,
Yes.
attorney, ang galing ni Kai kasi, alam mo, she said the exact same words. Do you remember, Kai, nung event ng Kai Mates na 18th birthday event mo? You said the same words. Talagang na ang tao ka lang din naman nakakalimutan ng tao minsan. Na, syempre, di ba, they look up to you. Tapos na minsan nalilimutan nila na you're just a human. So, nagkakamali ka rin. And kaya sinabi mo rin one time na sana wag ka nilang i-view as someone na sobrang perfect. Kasi pare-parehas lang naman tayo.
Yes.
So, take it from Kai, guys.
Oo.
Hindi po
Hindi ko ito
Kai.
celebrity.
Sinabi ko ba yun sa ano ko?
Yes, sabi mo. Yes,
Ay, yung my fans.
Yes.
Yung with fans with you guys. Oo nga, sabi ko nga sa kanila. Yeah.
Sige, Kai,
Yun lang.
punta naman tayo sa sa bench mo na event.
Oh.
Ayan na, nako na. Bigyan ng palakpakan si Kai, guys. Bigyan siya ng palakpakan. Yeah.
Nakor. What this about? Bakit?
Ang tagal mo sigurong gini-keep yun, no? Kasi may isa kang outfit, Kai, na nag-wonder kami, sabi namin, saan event to? Kasi parang ano namin siya na, tinik siya sa amin, ay, itong outfit talaga ni Kai, never natin itong nakita sa isang event. Tapos, in-upload mo. Gina-gatekeep
Kaya
talaga
nga.
ng batang to yung ganap niya. So, taray, ang galing mag-gatekeep.
Actually,
So, ano yung
that's my
reaction mo?
superpower. My reaction sa
Mm-mm.
bench. I'm super thrilled to be like doing runway again. I mean, like,
Did you miss it, Kai? Yung
yeah. Kasi, di ba? That's what I used to do when I was in Cebu. Tas parang lang siya. It's so, thinking about it now, when I look back to it sa Cebu, yung ginagawa ko siya for fun, like as a hobby. It's so nostalgic thinking about it. Tas ngayon, gagawin ko na siya for bench. And I feel fulfilled kasi it's something I always wanted to do. Tas now that I'm doing what I want to do, mas ni-up pag yun na nagbisaya na. Mas level up pa siya. Kasi now that people recognize me as Kai, now people get to, appreciate
Yeah.
that side
The other
of
side
me
of
more.
you. Yes.
Oo. Yeah.
So, nagpa-practice ka na ba ng catwalk mo or bench?
In terms of practice, I don't think I have I don't think right now is the time I should be practicing kasi there are other things I am practicing for. Pero there will come a time naman na there are set dates, set time that will happen. Kaya, yeah, chillax lang.
Ang spicy naman nung sinabi mo.
Kai, may question ako.
Oh, ano question mo?
Nababasa mo ba yung mga puksaan dito sa X? Anong
Kanina
comment
lang.
mo?
My comment is, sana you guys will focus more on your life, and sana you guys will realize that there really, really, really is more to life than the accounts that you have to hate on me, to hate on the people I care for, to hate in general. I feel like hating is so overrated. I feel like people just hate for fun, for no reason. And di na siya nakakatuwa. Di na siya... I always say it naman, na parang, come on y'all. Do not pity yourselves. Do not engage. Do not do any of that stuff if you think that wala ka namang maling ginawa. Therefore, you must just think wisely sometimes kung papatol ka ba o hindi. Because kung papatol ka, you are only putting yourself at their level, which is not the level you want to be at. Do you want to be down there with the others? No, you don't. Therefore, you must not patol. If it gets too masakit, i-block nyo na lang, i-report nyo na lang. Or, if you cannot tolerate it, then say something nice, with respect pa rin. Kahit bash na comment yan, kill them with kindness. Wag kayong mag-fight back, but also throwing shade on them and who they're idolizing. Kasi that will only add fuel to the fire. Kaya, alam ko naman guys na hindi kayo mga low-life 80-80. Kaya, alam ko that you guys are also doing your best to be the best versions of yourself. Yun lang.
Yan guys, lagi namang sinasabi ni Kai, di ba? Fan work are petty. So if you don't wanna be petty, then don't engage, di ba? So yung ibang fans na nagsasabi na laging walang statement si Kai about it, panoorin niyo yung live niya, guys. Talagang lagi siyang nagre-remind sa mga Kai-mates, sa shippers, na wag na tayong mag-engage. So, kapag may nakita kayo na bad comments about her, si Kai kasi hindi na siya naaapektuhan eh. Kasi para sa kanya, kilala niya naman yung sarili niya. So, tayo, nakilala naman natin si Kai din, hindi naman siya naaapektuhan sa ganun, wag na lang tayo mag-engage. Para hindi na umaba. Kasi wala namang winners dyan, di ba Kai? Wala namang pananalo.
Merong bang cash prize sa sinong mawiwin? Di ba wala naman? So, kaya guys, huwag na dyan ilagay yung time niyo.
Yeah, exactly. Ayan ha,
Tsaka-
take it from Kai.
Oh, tsaka ano din, like, for the people that are saying that I am not calling out anybody, I would rather call them out on my live, not on a post. Kasi that post will be posted for how long I want it to be. And yes, I can just delete it, but hindi kasi yan, if you understood it, the first time, then you must understand it na. I don't have to tell you again. Kasi, yun na yun. If you understand it, tapos meron kang friend o meron ka nakita na hindi nagigets yung point ko or point mo, sabihin mo na lang sila. Yun na guys. Easy lang. Easy lang yan.
And if post kasi, mas malaki yung possibility guys na it will be taken out of context. So, si Kai, ang ginagawa niya na lang, live na lang. So, ngayon sa space, ayan, narinig niyo na, kung may iba mang fandoms na nandito sa space ng Team Kai, tama na, huwag na tayong mag-away-away. Kasi, masaya maging fangirl, di ba? Kaya nga fangirl. Actually, si Kai, fangirl din yan ng mga singers eh. So, di ba, it's supposed to be fun.
Yes. Yes. I'm also a fan. Kaya, huwag tayong magpuksaan. Oh my God.
Pero
Minsan kasi minsan pag sobrang, alam mo yun, sobrang tinitingala masyado yung idol nila. So parang, kapag may nasabing masama, for example, kami, may nakikita kami masamang sinasabi sa'yo, nasasaktan, pero yun pala si Kai. Tinatawanan lang niya yung bashing.
Well, yeah. If for anyone that's listening right now, na against pa rin sa akin or to people in general, just think about it. Like, you're hating on this person, but this person you're probably this person's least a priority. Or maybe you're not even counted as a priority. Kasi, baka, sino ka? Who are you to say all this to someone na di mo kilala? Kaya, no, we should know our place. We should know where we're at as people. Ako, alam ko saan boundaries ko as an artist. And dapat alam din naman ninyo anong boundaries nyo as a supporter. Kasi ako, I'm also a fan. But I also know my boundaries as a fan. Yun lang.
Minsan
Asan
kasi
yung
pag
sound
sobrang
guy?
tambay na
Yung
dito sa
sound.
ex, nawawalan ka na ng grip sa reality, di ba? So parang, masyado ka nang nakakain
Yes.
ng toxic
Oo.
na puksaan.
Yes. Pahinga din, guys. Pahinga.
And guys, si Kai, nakatambayan dito sa ex. So, kung akala ninyo na hindi niya alam yung mga nangyayari dito, actually aware siya. Nagugulat kasi kami. Aware pala si Kai na ganito yung nangyayari kasi nakikita niya, nag-scroll siya. So, nababasa niya yung mga nangyayari dito. Nagugulat na lang yan kapag may Kaya minsan guys, sinasabihan namin si Kai na, Kai, wag kang mag-ex kasi may puksaan, ganyan. Tapos tambayan niya talaga yung ex. So, bago pa sabihin ng ibang tao, alam niya na may ganong nangyayari. Diba?
Mhm.
How about, Kai, kasi tapos na tayo sa bashing, how about fake news? Ano naman ang masasabi mo doon?
For fake news, I think that Kuya's last task for the Big Four is the best task for fake news. Alam ko na, I remember when we were doing that task, when I was doing that task, alam ko na they made that their last task for a reason. And I think, ano lang, I think that maybe you guys might think that I'm overthinking it. Pero no, guys. They did that on purpose. Because as our last task, as the Big Four sa bahay ni Kuya, what comes after that, diba, is the last. What comes after that is the outside world. And the biggest enemy that we have to fight in the outside world right now is the toxicity of what people have to say. And of course, number one dyan, yung fake news. Kasi hindi talaga yan hindi talaga yan mawawala hanggat may mga taong gustong sumira ng, I don't know, people, or basta meron talagang people na mag-make ng fake news. But what makes fake news so dangerous kasi is it can take real stories, real narratives, pero pwede din nilang gawing may twist yun. There might be, this might be real, this might be a real story, but they'll add something, take it out of context, therefore it will look bad, it will sound bad, at potentially it can sira a person's, I don't know, like career or whatever, her or his or their image, ganon. Kaya, guys, eto sasabihin ko sa inyo guys ha. When you read something, first, remember, sino at ano ang mga nangyayari sa statement na na-read ninyo. Tapos, listen to yourself muna. Ano ba tong nabasa ko? Can you believe it? Can you believe it for yourself? Do you think it's possible? Tapos, libre naman ang Google, guys. Libre naman mag-search online if it's true. And, of course, i-check nyo din if reliable ba yung source na chinek nyo. Kasi, I learned this in school. And we had an exam about this. And I feel as if you guys and some people didn't take it. Kasi, bakit meron pa ring tao na nauuto sa fake news? Kasi sometimes, I admit, some fake news can be so realistic. Pero guys, if you're not sure that it's true, don't be one of those people that will spread it furthermore to other people that you might think are reliable din. Kasi that's the reason why fake news is so popular kasi it's being spread through online from person to person. If I tell you, you might believe it, you might share it to someone else. That someone else might share it to someone else. And the cycle goes on. Kaya wag nating i-tolerate yan. Please lang. Hindi lang to para sa akin. Just for everyone. Yun lang.
Tapos, kapag pinapasapasahan yung kwento, di ba, may dagdag bawas na. Tapos may exaggeration ng nangyayari.
Yes.
Iba na yung iba na siya doon sa original na fake news.
Mhm.
Take advantage of the resources, guys, because all the resources naman available siya online. So we're lucky na sa generation natin, di ba, available lahat ng resources. So always fact check.
Yeah.
Sinasabi niya ni Kay sa PBB pa lang, you cannot fool me, sabi niya sa PBB.
I
Take it
can't remember that.
Uy, kakatweet ko lang muna actually kasi di ba may kumalat na fake news sa'yo yung eto, sa alamat ng luha mo.
Really?
Kaya nga, it's
Nga,
funny.
hindi talaga. I mean, guys, yung fake news na yun, sobrang rampant niya. So, mag-fact check naman kayo. Diba? Maawa kayo sa magiging biktima ng fake news. Kasi you don't want it to happen to your idol. You don't want it to happen to yourself. So, might as well mag-fact check ka para hindi nakakaranas ng ganito yung mga tao. Diba? Kasi no one deserves it. Lagi yung sinasabi ni Kay, mag-fact check kayo.
Slay.
Slay.
Yeah.
Slayable.
Slayable.
So, Kai, ano bang dapat naming abangan sa'yo? Yung mga pwede lang i-disclose, syempre.
Ayoko sabihin eh. Basta guys, just wait for ano. Kasi excited din ako for March 21. Kaya yun na lang aabangan natin for now.
So sa bench ka talaga, super excited ka sa ano no, pag runway ulit.
You're... Oh
Alam mo,
my
ang hirap
gosh.
din ang hirap din magtanong dito sa space no kasi baka mamaya ma-screen record tapos iba na yung iba na yung lalabas na mga
Magiging iba yung narrative.
Yeah.
kaya kung pansin mo kayo, medyo nag-iingat kami magtanong kasi nga mahirap na din. Kasi ang kapatid ng fake news is yung change ang context. Although totoo
Yeah.
talaga na nangyari or sinabi siya, pag i-change mo yung context, mag-iba din ang meaning ng
Mm-mm.
di ba?
Can be taken out of
Yeah.
context talaga yun.
That's what I was shocked. That's what I was shocked about after leaving Kuya's house. Kasi ang dami talaga nun. Paglabas ko, nung nakita ko yung edits. Shocks. Crazy.
Kaya may nagtanong.
Anong high score?
Ay, go.
Ano po?
Magkaka-YouTube channel ba si Kai?
Actually, meron akong YouTube channel, pero pang storage lang siya. Some people have already found it. Kaya siguro na-find nila yung mga old videos ko while singing as a kid. Nako, pero I will, kasi I'll post a vlog, yung sa Sinulog. Although, di pa siya natapos. Pero ipopost ko pa rin yun. Some people found my old YouTube channel though. Nakaka-hiyars. Yun lang. Period.
Tapos sabihin na naman,
feeling ko ang saya din pag magkaroon ka ng vlog kay. Kasi yung energy mo, tapos yung mga... Same with Rain, nag-enjoy din ako sa vlog ni Rain. Kasi yung energy yung dalawa, di ba? So parang feeling excited din ako sa'yo naman na vlog din. Kasi yung energy mo similar din. So parang exciting. Hindi, parang walang dull. Walang,
Actually, kaya nga, like, I actually want to post my Cebu vlog now, pero, ayun eh, hindi ko pa siya natapos. I will tapos it though, don't worry.
parang ang tagal na nung Cebu, no?
Kaya nga, I mean, kay Ate Jazz din naman yung Christmas special pa yan, so okay lang. Okay lang. Lol.
May plan ka ba May plan ka ba mag-broadcast channel sa IG?
I actually wanted to, pero wala akong... I still don't know how. I mean, I searched kung paano, pero wala akong... What do you call this? Wala akong option na gumawa ng, broadcast channel. I don't know why.
Sa mga marunong kayo video. Tapos itag niyo si Kai.
Kung paano.
Mag-tutorial kayo.
Aesthetic din yun si Kai di ba Kai?
Yeah, you know what? You know what I did kanina after I did my homework? I was just editing my page. Ano tawag dito? Yung like my iPad, tas the widgets and the background. Pero mukha naman siyang cute and aesthetic.
sabi ni Kai nung birthday niya, di ba may letters? May mga letters kaming binigay sa kanya yung Kai Mates. Sabi niya, saan to gawa? Sa Canva to?
Kaya nga, sabi ko sa Canva talaga to. Kasi ako din eh. Ginagamit ko din yung Canva. Alam ko. Alam ko yan.
Anong masasabi mo doon sa kumbaga yung mga suggestions namin pagdating sa pagdating sa mga pinopost mo? Do you feel offended ba or do you take it constructively?
Di naman, I don't think it's negative. Kasi ako, sumasang-ayon din ako eh. Maybe, hindi ko lang siya magawa yet. Alam ko naman that kasi ako din, gusto ko din yung ganon na feed. Pero, for now, meron pa kasi tayong priorities. We have work to do. And I guess there's no harm in posting whatever I want. But other than di ako ma-post na tao, need ko din ng profile muna. Kasi lang ng Instagram ko eh. Like, I wasn't an crazy Instagram user before BBB. So, nako, now I need to learn kung paano ba, how does Instagram work. Kasi before I only post the things I have to post. And I kind of got the same idea now after BNK, pero I realized that di naman siya, I need to level up, I need to level up my feed game. And kaya ko naman siyang gawin sa spam ko. Eh, problema lang, di nyo nakikita. So, don't worry guys. Sa takdang panahon na naman, it will look great. So don't worry. I don't find negative comments in your suggestions.
Si Toasted Guy may tanong sa'yo. Bestie,
Ano po?
Hi, Kai.
Hello.
Hi.
Cry po.
This is for the fans para I think para ma-remember nila every time na may puksaan. So, feeling ko mas makikinig sila if sa'yo manggagaling. If you could equip your supporters with 3 essential tools to navigate fan wars wisely, what would they be and how would this help in promoting a healthier and fandom culture?
You know what? I actually, like out of nowhere, na-bored lang ako. I didn't make it yet. I listed it down. I was gonna make a guide to this, to literally this, na parang, as a fan, paano nyo ba ano nga yun, analyze, whatever, chuchu, ganun, para mas maging healthy ang ating family. Family. Ganon. And I remember writing down na number 1, we must all, I'm gonna say we, kasi ako din naman. I'm also a fangirl. So, first, number 1, we must remember why we are a fan in the first place. Bakit ba natin sila, why do we look up to these people? Bakit ba ako naging fan in the first place? Because sometimes kasi, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, some people forget. They tend to forget that they have a life outside their fan pages. Kaya, first of all, remember kung bakit ka naging fan. If this is your pahinga, that's a good thing. Because yun naman talaga ang reason why most artists continue to do what they want to do. Because they are people's inspiration. And sila din ang nagiging motivation at inspiration ng tao. So first, remember why you were a fan in the first place. Tapos, second, whenever you meet or you encounter a fellow fan that may na-encounter kang fan na di naman ganon yung tingin mo, pero you must respect the person pa rin. Tao pa rin yan. Kahit nagpupuksaan yan, taon pa rin yan. So, just approach it with respect. Baka ma-realize na din na, oh my gosh, I'm too harsh. Kaya, so baka I need to adjust. You never know. Baka you can change him, you can change her, you can change them. So, yeah, keep that mutual ground. And always believe in the kasabihan that I would rather be actually there's no kasabihan. I just always say I have no enemies. Ganun lang. Sabihin nyo lang sa sarili nyo, guys, I have no enemies. Pero wala din kayong enemies in real life. Man-manifest nyo na wala kayong kaaway. Kasi why do people want kaaway? What the heck? Tsaka, okay, that's number 2, ha? Remember number 1, number 2, very essential. Number 3. What was the number 3? Okay, number 3, remember that in the end of the day, we are all supporting who we want to support. So let's say you encounter a person that isn't supporting your idol, but their intention naman is to support theirs. Okay lang yan. Yes, we tend to feel defensive towards our idols na kapag nilalait yung idol natin, parang nilalait din natin sila. But hindi sila. They're idols. That's something I don't understand. I think that if may nanglait sa idol nyo, wag niyong laitin ang idol nila. Because really guys, the idols have nothing to do with this. Oo, sila, yan ang ginagawa ng mga taong, parang manok guys. Like, why are you guys making the mga idols na parang manok? Pinag-fight yung mga manok, yung mga idols. Like, bruh. Kasi it's not the idols doing. It's the fans. Or so-called fans. So when you have an idol, pinupuksa idol nyo, huwag niyong puksain idol nila. You must tell that person that's puksain your idol na, oh my gosh, bro, stop that. That's bad man. Bad man yan, huwag kang magpuksa idol ko. Kasi, do you want us to puksa your idol din? Di ba, no? So, wag puksaan, bro. Love lang. Love lang, bro. So, kaya, yun talaga, bro. In the end of the day, love wins. Love wins by. Kaya, dyan nagtatapos ang guide kung paano maging the best fan in the best family. And I thank you.
Yay! Where's the sound?
Grabe, ang dami talagang
Thank you.
matututunan. Diba?
Thank you.
Parang ang dami na rin pinagdaanan ni Kai para masabi niya yung lahat. Ang galing.
Galing ni Kai.
Kai, curious ako. Kumusta yung relationship mo with other, like, let's say, artists din na parang pinagbabangay kayo?
Women pitting, marami din kasi, di ba? Like, in relation to that, Kai, there are people pitting women against each other. So, what's your reaction to that?
I say why? I mean, come on. Naging Bisaya tuloy. Okay, here guys. So, my opinion, this, bakit? Pwede man lang, guys, we are out here uplifting each other, ourselves. We're out here supporting each other. And all the more that because we are women, yes, there are, well, I can't really say much about it, pero, there are times, well, talaga naman, it's a common thing to bring down women against each other. And that is something hindi ko masyadong nagigets pa. Kasi palagi kong iniisip, bakit kaya? Bakit yung mga babae? Bakit yung babae lang? I mean, there is still that kind of comparing and contrasting towards men. But palagi ko talaga siyang na-observe sa mga babae. Madaming post that involve a person, a woman, tas may magsasabi sa comments, mas magaling to, isang babae. Mas magaling pa to kesa dyan. There's always comparing, there's always contrasting. Tas, yes, this also happens to men, but gaya nga ng sinabi ko, this is often observed with women. Tas, mapapatanong na lang ako, kung bakit ba? Why is it necessary to compare? Why is it necessary na dapat alam ng ibang tao na mas magaling ka? Bakit necessary na mas alam ng tao na to na mas magaling ang isang tao sa kanya? Because as an artist myself, I love supporting my friends, my fellow women. I am a girl. I am a woman din. Kaya talagang napoproud ako kapag may nangyayaring nakaka-proud. And like for example, Ate Jazz, sila Rain, si Fiang, si Ate Colette. I-mention ko na sila lahat. All my BBB housemates, may mangyari sa kanila that is nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud talaga siya for me. I was very proud of the success that's happening to Fiang nung nagka-MV siya. I was so proud of Rain when she did her hosting gig doon sa I Want ASAP. I'm proud of Ate Colette and Ate Jazz every time they go Supa Dance. And we always see each other sa backstage when we can. Just to say hi, you know. Kasi, bakit nyo naman kami pinag-go against each other? Kasi, baka you feel that mas nalalamangan yung idol nyo or yung person that you look up to. Kasi for us guys, for us, di lang to for us ha, for everyone probably that nakaka-relate din sa akin. Kasi, wait, my dad is saying something. I'm in the space! I'm saying something to people! That's important. Okay, back to the talk. For the people na nakaka-relate din sa akin, bro, they love women. They love supporting women. Kaya guys, wag nyong ipilit, ipag-away ang mga babaeng malaki ang respeto sa kanilang sarili. Because nothing can ever bring a woman down when they know themselves better than you do. Kaya, for me, speaking as a woman, as a girl, sana magkaroon din kayo ng heart at respeto sa mga babae. Tulad ko din. Na-hurt din kasi ako na meron ding babae na nagpupuksa din sa fellow babae. Kaya, bro, di natin gawain yun, bro. Di natin gawain yun. As girls, as women, we must uplift each other instead of bringing each other down. Together kasi we are stronger, di ba? Power Rangers to buy. We're
Yeah.
Avengers. Di ba? Di ba, guys? Wag mag-bring each other down. Ha? Sino mang gaganon, I will, spank you. Kaya, bad yan, ha? Ayun. Yun lang.
Tay,
Yeah.
baka pwede mo kami bigyan ng knock-knock jokes. Baka may knock-knock jokes ka dyan.
Nako! Ano ba? I was... wait lang. Ew, that's so corny! Knock jokes. You know what? Ang helpful talaga mag-space while doing block blast. Kasi, sometimes narilimutan ko may nakikinig pala sa akin.
Kay maraming nakikinig sa'yo, one thing. And nakaka-proud kay kasi nag-improve na yung Tagalog mo.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yay. Asan yung sound, Kai? Yung sound.
Yung clap.
Yung sound.
Okay, follow-up question daw, Kai. So, di ba, housemates are aware naman na the fans are comparing you guys with one another. How was your relationship with the housemates? Even pinagko-compare kayo ng mga fans. Kasi alam ko na sabi mo na to sa iba pero ulitin natin para sa mga nandito. How was your relationship with the other artists, housemates? Kahit alam nyo na pinagko-compare kayo sa isa't isa.
We're close. We make it as inside jokes. Sana makita niyo yung mga inside jokes namin. Pero, I guess it's fine na din na we keep it to ourselves. Kasi, if only you guys can see. Kasi, oh my God, it makes me cry. Kasi, inside the house, it was so nice. It was so nice being inside the house, not knowing what everyone had to say. We were all just there, very close with each other. Tas ngayon, obviously, yes, merong changes kasi, yeah, people change. There are things that change over time. Pero something that did not change, I would say, in my opinion, something that did not change between all of us is the bond. Andun pa din yan eh. I think we're the closest nga eh. Like, still hang out with each other and whenever we don't, nakikita naman kami sa workshop kaya okay lang. And it's nice to see that kahit sa, I think nasabi ko to sa BNK eh, sa Big Forever na. As long as we know na wala kaming bad blood towards each other, So, wala na kaming pake sa anong pang sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kasi, mas naiintindihan naman namin sarili namin at ang isa't isa. Kasi in the end of the day, mas kilala niyo ba kami? O mas kilala namin isa't isa? So, yeah, I would just like the people that are listening now to realize that. And I miss them. Oh, you made me miss them. Pero I'm gonna see them in a while anyway, so, yun lang.
Ayan guys. So, yung mga housemates, okay sila sa isa't isa. So, tayo mga fans, wag na natin silang pag-awayin. Kasi, bakit, di ba? Bakit pa natin sila pag-aawayin? Eh, minsan nagkasamgyup lang yung mga housemates, tapos tayo nagpupuksaan dito. So, wala
Yeah.
namang nangyayari wala namang nangyayari. So, ayun. Sana lahat ng nakikinig dito sa space, Kai mates, shippers from other fandoms, I hope you guys learn from Kai. Kasi ang dami niyang sinabi dito na na-address yung mga gusto ninyong sabihin niya. Kasi may marami nagtatanong na, ay si Kai, ano kayong opinion ni Kai dito, ganyan. Hindi sinasabihan ba ni Kai yung mga fans niya about fan wars or anything. So, ayun na. Kung napapansin niyo guys, yung space natin ngayon, like medyo serious, naririnig natin yung opinion ni Kai, it's because ito yung mga questions na madalas gusto nating marinig, na madalas nating tinatanong dito, na gusto nating masagot ni Kai. So, kaya ito na yung space para doon. So, diba? Kaya wag na nating
Yeah.
pag-away-awayin yung mga housemates. Masaya sila eh. Tayo lang naman ang hindi masaya. Diba?
Kaya nga. Sana guys, actually, hindi ko din alam eh. I cannot, alam niyo naman that we cannot control everybody. Pero at least we addressed it. And for the record, we did it. Kaya, skill issue na yan sa mga taong na hindi pa nag-gets.
Yes.
Yun lang. Friendly lang.
Be kind, guys. Walang bayad sa pagiging mabait, di ba? Kindness costs nothing. So,
Yeah.
piliin nyo maging mabuti palagi. And we cannot please everybody. So, kung nakikita natin sa idol natin, hindi nakikita ng iba, hindi na natin kailangan pang ipilit sa kanila, ay ganito, kailangan makita mo ito, ganyan. Because sabi nga ni Kai, may sarili-sarili tayong opinions, which is subjective naman yung opinions natin. So, maging mabait na lang tayo and gawin nating fun, yung fun girling. Kasi kaya naman tayo nandito, di ba? Because it is our sort of escape. So, minsan nga pag may nakikita kami na mga appreciation post kay Kai na sinasabi na sinave sila ni Kai from this sadness, ganyan, sinesend namin siya kay Kai kasi we want her to know and to be aware na her life is a blessing to others. So, ganun na lang yung gawin natin. Kaya natouch yan si Kai, guys. Yung mga message ninyo dito sa X, mga appreciation post ninyo, nababasa yan ni Kai, and she is very much appreciative sa mga ganong nababasa niya. And Kai, you are a blessing. You are blessed to be a blessing. Yan. You saved a lot. Aww.
Oh, stop it! Mutot, para matawa.
Kai, may
Wag
tanong ako,
ganyan.
Kai.
Oh, ano?
Madali ka bang umiyak?
Sakto lang, hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Okay, nasagot mo na yung tanong ko.
Depende eh.
Depende na sa sitwasyon.
Depende. If it's
Ay, na-
Disney, di maiiyak ako, di ba? Sad kaya.
Disney. Anong favorite mo na, Disney show?
Disney show?
Like movie.
Favorite movie, Disney movie ko, Mulan. Pero yung naiiyak talaga is, Inside. Oh my God. Even just thinking about it makes me cry. Inside Out, bro. Number one, yung original. Sad kaya yun. My God.
Kung magiging emosyon ka, ano ka?
Disgust.
You're everything.
I'd be like, ew. Ew, bro. Ew.
Oh,
Siya nga yung siya yung leader sa sa mind ko. If may sarili akong inside out, siya yung nasa loob ng ko, mind. Ew.
Kai, nasa yung knock-knock mo?
Yeah, knock-knock
Naku!
jokes, Kai.
Ang cringe.
May knock-knock yung Kai mate sa'yo.
Ikaw
Ano
una.
knock-knock nyo?
Sige, toasted. Unahan mo.
Posted. Unahan
Go,
mo.
go, 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 go.
Halalam na to nung iba eh.
Is my
Pero
mom
sige, wait
here?
lang.
Ha, nandito si tita.
Ma! Are you here?
Hello, tita.
Ma? Are you here?
Hi, tita.
Congratulations po.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
my mom is here. Ma! What are you doing?
Kai say mama.
Mama joined my live din sa Abra. Sabi niya, Shing. Oh my gosh. Ma! Nakikitambay din siya. Ayos ah.
Auto step.
Okay.
Knock knock. Go.
Knock knock.
Ako mag-start?
Mm.
Oh,
Dapat si Kay eh. Sige. Knock knock.
who's there?
Chandelier.
Chandelier who?
Chandelier na lang.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ate.
Kita skincare.
Ate. Ate, okay ka lang? Hindi ka naman nahiya, no? Ate.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
Oh my god.
Hello,
Basta
Tita
nag-ano?
Flor. Nandito si Tita.
Ayun, speaker na si tita. Hi, tita.
Hi, Tita.
Where?
Nakamute siya.
Listener siya eh.
Knock up na siya.
Yung mom ko, magaling yan mag-knock-knock joke.
Ay, ipambato ko to si Tita eh. Sige, si Tita.
Yung mama ko, she's very... Wait lang. Tawagin ko nga siya. Baka may knock-knock din siya. Knock-knock. Ew, I don't like. Ma, are you listening to my space?
No, I cannot open the door.
You're listening. I can see you.
Hello, Tita. Congratulations
Tita.
po.
Naka-off yung mic
Hello,
ni
tita.
Naka-off yung
Wait lang,
mic.
wait lang. Again. Take off.
Baka pinapagalitan na ni Kai si tita. Bakit nag-join?
Uy, ang dami natin dito, oh. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone na nakikinig. Almost 1,400 listeners.
Lilimit na.
Grabe. Dami
Ganun
pala.
kadami yung nakarinig ng knock-knock nito.
Can you hear me?
Hindi ka man.
Am I heard?
Yeah.
Ayoko
Asan na si
mag-knock-knock
Tita?
ang phone. Ayan, tawagin ko siya.
Kai mates, i-comment nyo yung mga ano nyo. Mga memes.
Okay, guys. Ma, give them your best knock-knock joke. Not the corny one, not the corny one. Go.
No.
Ma, tell them.
Knock knock.
Ipakita mo kung sino ka.
No need to say knock knock because the door is open already.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ma! Kapatid!
Knock knock. I don't have.
Oh my god! That was so bad.
Okay.
Come on, Kay. It's your
Knock
turn.
knock.
Si Maria next. Ikaw muna, Kai.
Ayan na. Who's
Wait lang.
there?
Share.
Take two.
Let me ano. Ito. Ay, hindi. Ew. Nakukornian ako sa sarili ko. Bakit
Okay
ba?
na yan. Sis, hindi chandelier.
Yung sandal.
Oy, grabe.
Wait, I'm gonna find a good knock-knock joke. Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Who's there?
Are you a banana?
Bakit?
Are you a banana?
Kasi
boat?
you're so appealing. Oh, guys, pumalakpak kayo.
Ah.
Ano ba to? Oh my God, sino ba to? Oh my God, ang bastos. Ang bastos. Kabastos. Ano to? Space pa ba to o tanggal dignidad? Ano? Ha? Ano? Oh my God. How long have we been
Maria.
in here?
I think an hour, Kai. Or an hour and 30. I'm not sure.
Wow, umabot ng 1 hour.
Wow.
This is one movie na, guys.
Ibig sabihin nun, Kai, 1 hour kang nagbo-blockblast.
Wala, oo nga, no. I'm reading the comments right now.
Kai,
Mm.
pwede,
Huh?
nag-request sila ng isang song from you.
What's that?
Si
Shucks.
Rated K.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Where are the comments? Ba't di ko siya makita? PBB.
Kai, shout out mo daw si Mother Lily.
Shout out Mother Lily. Birthday niya ba?
Supporter mo siya, Kai.
Supporter mo siya, Kai.
Ah, di na birthday? Eh di happy birthday sa birthday mo na. Shout out Mother Lily.
Yes.
Ang cute ni Kai.
Ano score mo
What
sa
time are you
block
going to sleep, Kai?
Secret. Is that a tanong? I cannot answer that question. Nakita rin pala niya yun.
Reflection daw, Kai. Sample daw.
Ano da? Yung ano?
Reflection daw. Sample.
Nako. Reflection pa talaga.
Di ba favorite mo yung Mulan?
Yeah, favorite ko yung...
Baka naman, isa lang.
Reflection?
Mm-mm.
Reflection is pangalan na eh. So, payag kayo guys after I sing. Tulog na tayo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, yan. Yan.
It's already
Closing.
9 din.
Awe. Ganun pala
Pang-closing
kayo
na naman.
guys. You guys sleep early pala.
Hmm?
Ah,
Sabay,
ganun.
sabay kami sa'yo natutulog.
Oo, di ba we sleep early? Di ba ganun yun? Ganun tayo eh. Ayan. I'll sing the chorus. Tapos, ano?
Good night na.
Good night na, Kai.
Oo.
Bye-bye na.
Yeah. Tapos, we sleep. Okay.
Okay. Isang
Ang ating
palakpakan kay Kai.
Na, sino palaging umutot dyan? Ayan. Ready? Ayan. Reflection by Leia Salonga. And this is the chorus part. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection show who I am inside? And scene.
Thank you so much for your time, Kai.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, thank
sa
you.
Thank you so much,
nag-listen.
Kai.
Thank you guys. Good night.
Good night, Kai.
Good night, Kai.
Good
Thank you for
night,
your
Kai.
time.
Good night, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Thank you, Kai. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayun. Ayun na yung ayuda niyo, Kai mates. Sana masaya kayo and hopefully may natutunan tayong lahat.
Hmm.